So we've arrived. It's been a beautiful trip here with some snacks on the way, and we're finally at, where are we? The Freycinet Peninsula. We're about to do the Wineglass Bay walk to the lookout. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
It's a big walk. Do you think you can manage?
Yeah.
All right. See
How
how
many
we go.
hours is it?
It's like an hour and a half.
Dad, I can even do cartwheels.
Yeah, cool. All right, let's go. Hit it, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're pretty far into the walk already. I feel like maybe my shoe choice was not optimal. They did have a sign to say no flip-flops.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you should have followed that rule.
Yeah. Flip-flops were probably not the best choice.
Yeah.
But hey, if you can't do a bushwalk in flip-flops, you shouldn't be bushwalking. That's what I say.
Yeah, and why is it bushwalking then?
Yeah, exactly. That's right. Well, maybe I'll just stop here and you guys come and get me when you're done. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Well, have fun. You're doing really good. I'll see you in another hour and a half.
Okay, bye.
We have finally made it. How would you say, how difficult was the walk, guys? Was it very hard, medium, or easy?
Easy.
Easy, good. At least it was on my back most of the way, but yeah. Medium, okay.
Because you didn't carry me on the back.
Because I carried you. What do you think, Says?
Beautiful walk and steep in some places, but definitely worth doing with kids.
Yeah, for sure. Pack the water, pack some snacks. I think we stopped 2 or 3 times for some snacks on the way, and now we're already here. And the walk back is, downhill. So, definitely worth it. This place is unbelievable. Wineglass Bay, Freycinet National Park. What do we say? Cheers, guys.
Yeah.
Cheers.